DATS, stock analysis and price predictions for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Super interesting. I'm breaking all that down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. So especially looking at the DATS, very choppy price action. I'll definitely tell that. Not in a bad way or anything. It's just the truth. You know what I mean? Like, yes, I wanted to see a second break, but I never got that, and the price sort of started consolidating. Just so I have more liquidity, the only thing that's going to make me be bullish on this is a full candle close above 285. And if I do not see that in the meantime, then I don't simply care, right? If there is a sell side confirmation here, I'll even move with the sell side. But like I said, last thing that I'll be doing is randomly assuming stuff. So I'm more so reacting on whatever the price is going to give me. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Also with the DATS, I do have about 3 receipts in the Discord as well. So see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.